Apparently, AI just killed SaaS. Again, Twitter says software is dead. LinkedIn says pivot to agents immediately. Reddit says the AI bubble is bursting. And meanwhile, Microsoft and Salesforce just lost $1 trillion in market value this week. So yeah, totally calm. But here's the weird part. The people building AI, they're not panicking. At Web Summit Qatar, founders and investors basically said, relax, SaaS isn't dying. Arvind Jain, founder of Glen, a $7 billion AI startup, said, AI wouldn't make software obsolete. It'll be embedded. Miro's founder said valuations are crazy, but they'll normalize in 2 years. Investors compared this movement to the dot-com era. Yes, many startups will fail. No, software isn't ending. Meanwhile, AI startups are raising billions. OpenAI is reportedly losing $14 billion this year. $340 billion went into startups in 2025, 65% of it into AI. Oh, and the Dow just crossed 50,000. So, apocalypse or just vibes? Here's why this feels chaotic. Two things are happening at once. Number one, AI is genuinely transformative. And two, investors are behaving like it's 1999 again. That combination creates emotional whiplash. People hear AI writes code, they translate it to software companies are finished. That's like saying electricity was invented. Yes, candles are illegal now. No, candles still exist. They just stop being the main infrastructure. The real confusion is this. People mix up tools changing with business models disappearing. AI changes how software works. That does not automatically delete the need for software. Let's slow this down. SaaS equals structured software with workflows. AI equals probabilistic prediction engine. AI is powerful, but it's messy. It hallucinates, it's unpredictable, it's expensive to run. Public markets love predictability. AI right now, not predictable. That's why founders prefer staying private. And here's the bigger shift. AI isn't replacing software, it's becoming a layer inside software. Like when search became embedded in everything, or when cloud replaced on-prem servers, the interface changes, the infrastructure evolves, but companies still sell products. Customers still pay subscriptions. What changes is how those products feel. Imagine this. You built a task management SaaS, clean UI, carbon boards, recurring tasks. Then AI shows up. Suddenly your users ask, why can't this just plan my week automatically? You panic. You tweet, SaaS is dead. But what actually happens? You add AI suggestions, auto prioritization, natural language input. The product evolves. It doesn't evaporate. AI is like hiring a chaotic intern. Very smart, works insanely fast, occasionally invents things that never happened. You don't fire your company because of the intern. You supervise them, you integrate them, you build guardrails. That's what's happening right now. This isn't software Armageddon. It's software mutation. Some AI companies are overvalued. That will likely correct. Some startups will die. That's normal. But software as a structured layer over chaos, that's not going away. If anything, AI increases demand for good product design because now someone has to tame the chaos. So no, AI didn't kill SaaS this week. It just made the software weirder and more interesting. The real question is, will the winners be the ones building raw AI or the ones packaging it in calm, usable products? Curious what you think. Thanks for watching.